Understanding, stand together, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we're diving into the phrase, stand together. This expression is commonly used in English and has a rich meaning that goes beyond its literal interpretation. We'll explore its definition, usage, and some examples to help you fully grasp this phrase. So, let's get started. Stand together is a phrase that implies unity, solidarity, or mutual support among a group of people. It doesn't necessarily mean to physically stand close to each other, but rather to unite in purpose or action. This expression is often used in contexts where people are facing a challenge or a common goal and need to show that they are united in their efforts. Here are some examples to show how stand together can be used in different contexts. 1. In social movements, the community decided to stand together to fight for environmental change. 2. In personal relationships, during tough times, it's important for families to stand together. 3. In professional settings, the employees stood together to request better working conditions. Each example shows a different scenario where people unite for a common cause or support each other. Some learners might confuse stand together with simply standing physically close. Remember, this phrase is more about emotional or ideological closeness rather than physical proximity. It's about showing solidarity and support, not just about physical arrangements. Understanding synonyms can help deepen your understanding of stand together. Some similar phrases include unite, join forces, band together, rally together. Each of these has a similar connotation of unity and collaboration. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, stand together. Remember, it's a powerful expression of unity and support, often used in times of challenge or shared goals. I hope this video helps you understand and use stand together confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.